then I was put in an orphanage. So that's when my Islamic studies finished. And in high school, I did do Islamic studies to try and get into it too as well.
So you have a good, sound background knowledge of Islam, yeah?
I do. I was able to read lots of surahs. I was able to read and write in Arabic. I was able to read and to write my name in Arabic, but all that I forgot. Yeah. Over 40 years later, I connected with my foster family, and I want to be part of that. And also, a lot of my attitude, a lot of my foundations, like habit I have, is from there. Like not drinking, not buying food, meat from supermarket, only from halal shops, or dating men and stuff like that. So a lot of things in me was Islam, but I wasn't practicing because I didn't want to do it wrong.
And this is a proof that Quran says Islam is the deen of nature, fitrah, which means that is your natural tendency that you follow Islamic practices. This is in your nature.
Yeah.
So, mashallah, that's great. You're from Nigeria?
The Gambia.
Gambia. Okay. So, that's great. You can always build up and continue and keep learning. In Islam, the rule is that you learn from cradle to grave. So, you can continue your journey. So, mashallah, you're already a Muslimah, just to declare it in front of brothers and sisters. It's called Shahada, and it's very simple. So we'll say some certain words in Arabic and then meaning, and that's what you need to believe in. Basically, there are few things. The first thing is that we believe in a creator, God, and we say Allah in Arabic, the one who created the heavens and the earth, maintaining and sustaining everything. And this is common both in Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. We believe in this. And the second thing, which is different from other religions, is Prophet Muhammad is the last and final prophet. And obviously, the Quran and the Book of Allah, and the Day of Judgment. So, if you believe in these things, and then you declare these things, so that is the first step in Islam. And then you have to develop all the time, study the Quran, increasing your knowledge and your behavior. This is a lifelong journey. We welcome you here today, mashallah. This is a very good opportunity here to remind ourselves as well, and you as well, that what we actually believe, and then this belief makes our practice and character and our understanding, inshallah. So let's just start. Say in Arabic first. You repeat after me, and then you say in English.
Can I just say something? I
Yes,
spoke to my foster mom, and she wanted to choose name for me. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's great. It's your choice. You can choose any name. You can keep your name. You can choose any name.
She wanted to give me her name, and my foster father's passed away, but she wants me to have his surname.
Yeah, definitely you can have that name. So, if it is what's the name you're choosing?
Khateja.
Yeah,
that's her name, and the surname is Torey.
That's absolutely fine. You know, in Islam, the name shouldn't be against the Islamic beliefs. There's some of the names, like say Abu Lahab or things like that. Yeah, you know, the famous, notorious enemies of Islam, like Pharaoh. You can't have these names because names have effect on your personality.
Yes.
Any name should have a good meaning. So normally there's a tradition that like he was choosing Khateja. Khateja was a righteous lady, the first wife of Prophet Muhammad. She's 14th prophet in the lot. That's why it's really good to have this name. So this is beautiful. This is Masjid Khateja you're sitting in. That's where you have mosque.
So I was wondering if Khateja al-Barakat Torey would be nice, please.
Yeah, that's fine. And I think there's a procedure. Later on, if you need a Shahada certificate, we can make one here and print it out. And then you can take the procedure of changing maybe on your documents as well.
Yeah.
It takes, I think, some time.
Yeah.
You can do it with doing this paperwork, you might have to go through and wait for some time, and then you can change it, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, so say ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lahu
la
la
sharika
sharika lahu
wa ashhadu
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
MashaAllah, your Arabic is very good. Normally, almost every week people accept Islam here, but it's difficult for them to pronounce the Arabic words. So you're already blessed with the foundation and basics. So the translation,
I was reading and writing in Arabic before
yeah,
I could read and write in English.
we can understand from your accent and the way you're speaking and talking. So I bear witness
I bear witness
that there's no God,
that there is no God,
only one God,
but only one God,
and He has no partners,
and He has no partners,
and Muhammad
and Muhammad
sallallahu alaihi wasallam
sallallahu alaihi wasallam
is the last
is the last
and final prophet
and final prophet
and servant of God.
and servant of God.
MashaAllah, you are a Muslim now. Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
May Allah make it is a blessing in your life and your family, and inshallah we might not meet here again, but we will be gathered inshallah in Jannah. We'll have this gathering and remember this time inshallah.